Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for Categorical Descriptive Statistics. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is summarizing your data. This video will cover just the categorical descriptives, such as race or gender, and any other variables on your survey which are measured as nominal. You will need one categorical variable in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question B is categorical with 4 nominal values. This will be the variable we will use for our demonstration. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in Stat Tree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose race as the categorical variable. To calculate descriptive statistics for a variable, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window providing the information requested. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.